To manage settings for your team account, you need to click on your team account located at the bottom left corner. After switching to the team account, click on the Team menu in this section. Here you can change the team account name and upload an avatar for the account. You can adjust country and language settings and view the list of team members from this section. To invite a new person to your team, click the Add New Member button. After entering the email address of the person to be invited and sending the invitation, you can see those who have been invited but have not yet accepted by clicking the Add New Member button again. You can also cancel the invitation if you wish. When the invited person accepts your invitation, they will appear in this list.